In this video, I'll guide you through how to customize your dashboard in Xero so it shows exactly the information you care about most. We'll walk through how to get to the dashboard, enter edit mode, and then add, remove, and rearrange widgets so your home screen works for you. First, open your web browser and go to Xero's website by typing the address into the URL bar. Sign in with your usual login details, and once you're in, you'll land either on the dashboard or on the last area you were using. If you're not already on the dashboard, that's totally fine. We'll head there next. At the top of the screen, look for the main navigation menu. Today, I'll show you how to get to the home area, which is where your dashboard lives. Click on Home. This will bring you to the main dashboard view where you normally see things like bank accounts, invoices owed to you, bills you need to pay, and maybe some short reports or summary graphs depending on your setup. Now that you're on the dashboard, I'm going to walk you through how to switch it into edit mode. Look toward the top right-hand corner of the dashboard. You should see an option that says something like Edit Homepage. Click that. Once you do, the layout will change slightly and you'll see that the dashboard is now editable. This is where you can start customizing how everything looks and what appears on the screen. I'll show you the easiest way to work with widgets, which are the individual panels or boxes on your dashboard. Each widget represents a piece of information, such as a bank balance, a chart of your cash flow, or a summary of invoices. In edit mode, you can decide which of these widgets you want to see and where they should appear on the page. To rearrange your dashboard, hover your mouse over a widget. You'll notice that your cursor changes and you can click and drag the widget to a new position. Simply hold down your mouse button, drag the widget to where you want it, and release. Take a moment to move a few widgets around so that the most important information is at the top or in the most visible spots. For example, you might want your bank accounts and invoices near the top and less critical summaries further down. You can also remove or minimize widgets you don't need. On each widget, look for a small minus icon, usually near the top corner of that widget panel. When you click the minus icon, that widget will be hidden or collapsed from the main view. This is useful if there's information you don't check often, or if you just want a cleaner, less cluttered dashboard. If you remove something by mistake, you can usually add it back later in the same edit area, so don't worry about breaking anything. Once you've added, rearranged, and minimized widgets to your liking, scroll through the dashboard to make sure everything looks right. When you're happy with the layout, look for an option to save or exit edit mode, often near the same place you found the edit homepage button. Click that to lock in your changes. That's all it takes to customize your dashboard in Xero. By tailoring your widgets and layout, you'll save time every time you log in because the key information you need will be front and center.